Good morning, everyone. My name is Ms. Sarah Budhe. I have completed my MSc Nursing in Obs-Gynae department and I am working as a lecturer in Sumante Vasti College of Nursing, Nagpur. The research presentation topic is a study to assess the effectiveness of structured teaching program on knowledge regarding urinary tract infection among adolescent girls in Junior College, Nagpur. Introduction. Urinary tract infection are the second most common bacterial disease and the most common bacterial infection in women, with at least one-third of women developing UTI before the age of 24. During their lifetime, more than half of women will have UTI and up to 50% of these will have another infection within UTIs. UTIs complicate up to 20% of pregnancies and are responsible for 10% of all antepartum admissions. Inflammation of the urinary tract may be attributable to a variety of disorders, but bacterial infection is by far the most common. UTI involve any part of urinary tract and can be acquired through the blood or lymph or may enter through the urethra. Infections are called ascending when pathogens move from urethra to the bladder and descending when pathogens travel from kidney to the bladder. My problem statement is a study to assess the effectiveness of structured teaching program on knowledge regarding urinary tract infection among adolescent girls in junior college, Nagpur. The objectives: to assess the pre-test knowledge of UTI, to assess the post-test knowledge of UTI, to compare the pre-test knowledge score and post-test knowledge score of UTI, and to find out the association between knowledge score with selected demographic variables. Hypothesis. Null hypothesis. There is no significant difference between the pre-test and post-test knowledge. H1. There is significant difference between pre-test and post-test knowledge. H2. There will be association between knowledge score with selected demographic variables. Assumptions. Adolescent girls may have some knowledge regarding UTI and there may be a relationship between knowledge score and adolescent selected demographic variables. Limitations. The study was limited to adolescent girls population with the age group of 16 to 19 with limited sample, that is 30. In this study, Roy's adaptation model was used as conceptual framework by Sister Calista. Scope of study. The study will be helpful for students and will improve the knowledge about UTI. It will be helpful to identify the symptoms of UTI in adolescent girls. It will be helpful to treat them as carefully as possible and will be able to maintain personal hygiene. The operational definitions were used as assess, structured, teaching, program, knowledge, urinary tract, infection and adolescent. Ethical aspect. The ethical committee has approved the research proposal. Official permission obtained from the authority of college. Return informed consent obtained from the study participants and data collection procedure kept as confidential. There were 25 reviews of literature used in this research study. The methodology. A quantitative approach was used. True experimental pre-test post-test design was used. The setting was selected junior college. Sample size was 30 adolescent girls, age group 16 to 19. Sampling technique was non-probability convenient sampling. The independent variable was planned teaching program. The dependent variable was knowledge regarding UTI. Population. Higher secondary students studying in junior college. Target population adolescent girls age group 16 to 19. Accessible population adolescent girls 16 to 19 age in selected junior college. Inclusion criteria. The adolescent girls between age group 16 to 19 who are willing to participants, who are available during the data collection, who are able to read and write English and Marathi, who are studying in selected junior college. Exclusion criteria. The adults and girls who are not willing to participate, who belongs to other faculties except commerce. The tool preparation was done under two sections. The section 1 includes 5 items seeking the information of demographic data. Section 2 includes 20 items. It's all about UTI questions. The grading score was divided into 4, 0 to 5 that is poor, 6 to 10 that is average, 11 to 15 that is good, 16 to 20 that is very good. Organization of findings. Section A, it's all about demographic variable. Section B, all about pre-test score. Section C is all about post-test score. Section D is all about comparison between pre-test and post-test score. Section E is all about the association between knowledge score and demographic variables. So, section A is all about demographics. It describes that maximum group was from 17 to 18 years. They were from commerce branch and the residence was rural and urban, that is 50%, and the family was joint family and maximum people belongs to Hindu religion. Section B, it describes about the pre-test knowledge score. Minimum score 3, maximum score was 11, mean score was 6.1 and mean percentage was 20.33. Section C is all about the post-test knowledge score. The minimum score was 4, maximum score was 17, mean score was 10.86, mean percentage was 36.2. Section D is all about comparison of pre-test and post-test knowledge score. It shows that pre-test knowledge score has less and the post-test knowledge score is higher. Section E, it describes about the association between knowledge score and selected demographic data. So there was no association between knowledge score with the demographic data. So conclusion, H1 is accepted because there is a mean difference between pre-test and post-test score and there is no any association between knowledge score with the demographic data. Thank you.